Welcome again, dear friends, to the Geotechnologies channel and Excel learning tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn the age calculator. Here we have a table in which there are some names and date of births given. For example, you can see the Alex Johnson, whose date of birth is 15 January 1990, and I want to calculate the age in years, months, days, and in words. Here's the table starting from the serial number 1 to serial number 5 and names as well as their date of births. In the final stage, I will evaluate their dates of date of births in words. So first of all, what kind of formula I can use? I will use the dated if formula, which will give me the date, the age, and years. So the formula is equal to dated if and bracket start. I will select the date of birth of a specific cell. So here D6 is the cell, and I'm adding the data, that is D6, and I will calculate the age up to date, like the current date, so today, and the years. So what should I do? I will write Y and enclose it. So there are 35 years, sorry, 34 years age, and I want to calculate also months. So for the month, the same formula I will use, that is dated if function, and again that cell, that is D6, and today, bracket start and bracket closed and comma. In this case, I will write year and month and enclose it in the bracket. Then okay, so 5 months, that is 34 years and 5 months. Now calculating the days also. So again the same function, that is dated if, and selecting the same cell, that is date of birth, and the function today, and the last I will write here the month and days. So MD and bracket close. Now you can see that the years are 34, months are 5, and days are 16 for Alex Johnson. Now I want to show the years, the ages, and words. So what can I do? Selecting the first cell, that is in years, and applying the and writing the years again, and the month cell, that is F6, and writing here the months. So double quotes, months, again double quotes, and here, and the last one is the days. So this one is G6, and I will write here the days, 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 and comma. Um, this one giving a little bit spaces, and here also. Now okay, is this correct? Yes, all of these are correct. So here is the Alex Johnson age and words, that is you can see here 15 January 1990. So date is from the date one is here, that the age of the person is this one, dragging for all. So here are different years, different months, and different days for each of person. In the similar manner, I will drag the age, that is in words. So here you can see 34, 39, 31, 35, and 28 days, years and months and days. Thanks for watching. Hope you got this video tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you.